Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Charles Schwab. While you cannot directly purchase Bitcoin on the Charles Schwab platform, there are several effective ways to gain exposure to this digital asset. We will explore the available investment products that allow you to participate in the cryptocurrency market through your Schwab account. This guide will help you understand your options and the steps involved. Charles Schwab provides several indirect avenues for Bitcoin exposure. One popular method is through spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, or ETF, which aim to track Bitcoin's price movements closely. You can also consider crypto-thematic ETFs, like the Schwab Crypto Thematic ETF, which invests in companies benefiting from the broader digital asset ecosystem. For eligible clients, Bitcoin futures contracts and over-the-counter trusts are additional options. To begin, ensure you have an active Charles Schwab brokerage account with sufficient funds. Next, utilize Schwab's research tools, including their fund finder, to explore the various Bitcoin-related investment products. Once you have chosen an option that aligns with your investment goals, simply place a buy order through Schwab's online platform or mobile app. Remember to regularly monitor your investment's performance within your portfolio. It is important to remember that indirect investments in Bitcoin carry unique risks compared to direct ownership. Always review the expense ratios and fees associated with any exchange-traded fund or trust before investing. While Charles Schwab currently offers indirect exposure, the company has indicated plans to introduce direct spot Bitcoin and Ethereum trading in the future. Always conduct thorough research and consider your personal risk tolerance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.